Open generator control panel door. Turn on control power and then allow the panel display to boot up. Press manual mode button, followed by the green startup button. Generator will then power up. Generator will start up at low operating idle. Then, after a few seconds, will ramp up to operating RPMs. At this time, the master breaker can be turned on and we can check for 480 volts.
Remove corded driving remote from crane side panel. Plug in corded driving remote. Power source to generator and power direction to undercarriage. Disengage e-stop by turning clockwise lightly. Within 5 seconds, hydraulic pumps will turn on. You are now ready to drive the machine by using the corded remote. Each button on the remote represents either a direction of travel or individual axle steering direction. Once at desired working location, hang corded driving remote up for storage. Unlock outrigger beam holding pin and slide outrigger beam to full extension. Lock outrigger beam holding pin. Ensuring that it is properly engaged. Remove outrigger pads from storage and place in proper position, centered under outrigger jacks. This can be carried out for all outriggers. Replace pins and keepers for proper storage. Use outrigger controls to extend jacks and level machine. Ensure that all weight is off of tires and being fully supported equally by all 4 outriggers. Check level on the machine. Push e-stop button, turning off hydraulic pumps. Turn power direction to 0 or neutral position. Remove corded remote plug and replace with protective cover. Return corded remote to storage position. Turn power direction to crane. Open crane cabinet and remove wireless operating control using strap to avoid any possible falls. Turn on remote. Remote alarm will sound and will boot up. Next, hit the green button and allow horn on the machine itself to sound. This will ensure communication with the machine. Machine should be in setup mode selection. Close crane panel door. Remove hook from travel location. Remove hook block travel pin and replace into storage location. Jog switch in centered position. Use the right stick to cable block down. Hook block should be lowered till almost touching the ground. Push the jog selector to jib and use the right stick to extend the jib up to the proper position for unfolding. Proper position will be identified by both the blue and green lights coming on. Put the jog selector switch to mast. Use the right stick to extend the mast to operating position. Watch all moving parts continually, especially any pivot points during operation. Put jog selector to jib and use the right stick to fold the jib out to operating position. Turn to selected working mode. Remote jog in center working position. Press the green button to confirm working mode. Confirm that swing brake is engaged by control knob being able to be turned in both directions. Remove house lock and put into storage position.